weekend here. Well, officially day 2 in Baler. The weather's kind of nice. It's not sunny, it's not rainy. Time to go swimming for Adriana. Say hi. What's that? Ooh, eating nachos. Oh, by the pool. Day out here in Baler. Someone's hungry.
Wow.
We just ate lunch. Now we're headed to the beach. Adriana, say hi. And we're having dinner at the Hungry Surfer. It's been raining out. We got stuck in our hotel room, but it's all good. So now we're out. What are you doing?
Instagram.
And we're waiting for cheese sticks appetizer.
You like it, Adriana?
Double cheeseburger as well. Yes. And what are you still eating? Oh, you're still eating the cheese sticks.
No, she's eating the fries.
Was that fries? Okay, on our way back to the hotel. And then we're probably just gonna go to 7-Eleven to buy some water and some other stuff. And call it a night.
If Adriana sleeps early.
Oh,
last night she slept
at 2 in the morning.